Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Aerox 9. In this video I'll show you how to change lighting of your mouse. In the beginning, let's go to SteelSeries engine. Now go to Aerox 9 wireless, and now you can change illumination from this menu. For example, you can select sphere of the illumination. You can select between active and reactive. You can change illumination brightness. But the most effective way to change illumination of your mouse is by going to Prism. Now you can select between presets, layer, and effects. Then you can change color. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.